Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic zinc fertilizer. This easy guide will help you create a natural and effective nutrient source for your plants. Zinc is a vital micronutrient, crucial for many plant functions, including enzyme activity and hormone production. Using an organic approach improves soil health, supports beneficial microbes, and ensures your plants receive essential nutrients without harsh chemicals. It's a sustainable and cost-effective way to boost your garden's vitality. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. The primary zinc source will be zinc sulfate heptahydrate, which is commonly found at agricultural supply stores. You'll also need a significant amount of organic matter. This could be well-rotted compost, aged animal manure, or even leaf mold. Ensure your organic material is fully decomposed to prevent any adverse effects on your plants. Finally, have a large, non-reactive container for mixing, along with protective gloves and a reliable measuring scoop. Now, let's mix your organic zinc fertilizer. The key is to achieve a proper ratio for effective nutrient delivery. Combine 1 part zinc sulfate heptahydrate with 20 parts of your chosen organic matter. For instance, if you use 1 pound of zinc sulfate, you would mix it with 20 pounds of compost. Blend these components very thoroughly. This ensures the zinc is evenly distributed, preventing any concentrated areas that could harm your plants and promoting consistent nutrient availability. Once mixed, your organic zinc fertilizer is ready for application. You can apply it directly around the base of established plants, or you can incorporate it into your garden beds before planting. A good general guideline is to use about 1 cup of the mixture per 10 square feet of garden area. Spread it evenly and gently work it into the topsoil. You'll soon observe improved plant vigor, healthier leaf development, and potentially better fruit and flower production, thanks to this essential micronutrient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.